So, hello everyone, welcome to day 42 of recording my video for 60 days straight that I have challenged with myself. So, hope you are doing well. And I can't see the perfect spot to record my video, but I have to record it anyhow because as I have promised with myself and I have challenged myself, of course, to show me something that I can be capable of. So today is my day 42, and my personal life is so tough, rough, tough. But when I am saying personal life, it doesn't mean that about my scenes like serious personal life. No, I'm talking about my academic and my office life as well, because I'm struggling. I am working so hard to get my life better, but still the thing is not getting in my accordance as I'm expecting to do so. But still I will do hard work, and I had to do it anyhow. And my old viewers can easily spot that my cap is again welcomed. My cap is back with the ending summer. So that's a bizarre situation because it is expecting from the people to wear the cap in summer, but I am here with the cap in rainy season, I guess. Yeah, it's August, so of course it's raining season. But I am trying my every possible effort. I'm trying my every possible way to do something for me, because now I am clueless about everything that I want to figure it out anyhow. Figure it out anyhow. Okay, but I want to keep hustling every single day. And one thing I want to tell you, that whenever you feel like you should do that particular task on some other day, just think in that way. Okay, I have a question with you all guys. What are the things that you have just put that thing on hold to complete it on a next day or maybe next month? Just think in your mind, what are the things that you have just put them on hold? Can't they complete it by today itself? Just think now. Are those tasks are that much difficult, that much heavier for you that you can't finish it by today itself? No, the answer is no. Actually, you are in your comfort zone, because our subconscious mind plays with us. That whenever we are loaded with the difficult task, then our mind just want to escape from that situation. And of course it will choose the next day, next month, next year maybe, but next life, of course, next day, next week, next month, next year, but not today. Because we all know that if that task will be done by today, then it will ask your comfort zone, ask you to leave your comfort zone. But you won't. Even I won't. Who is struggling with procrastination, this is the pure example. I want to tell you guys that this is the pure example. Just start doing that task that you have put on hold. Not that much, not for that much time, but you can just give it a simple push, and rest things will already getting happen. Just you have to initiate the process. If you are you are thinking in that way that okay, from tomorrow I will do workout, then today if you are watching my video, then please just go to your park. If you have your wish list to do workout, then you can do that thing. And if you haven't thought about that process, thought about that thing, like the workout kind of stuff, then you don't need to go anywhere. You just need to watch my video till the end. So yeah, just step up from your home, from your comfort zone. Just out of your comfort zone as soon as possible, as early as you can, because sooner or later you will realize that comfort zone is killing you. Today I am bearing all the pain, today I am bearing all the difficulties in my life just to make myself capable person one day that I can enjoy all the lavish life. All the lavish life I enjoy. Not only me, but my family, but to my family members. I want to give them a better life, give them a best life as I can. For that, I am hustling right now, and I don't know how long it will take, but I won't give up. I won't give up. Please, God, I won't give up. Just I want to carry forward my expectations with me, my hope with me, what I am trying to do every single day. So today's lesson is that if you are thinking in that way that this is the particular task and I want to do it by tomorrow, do it from tomorrow, start it from tomorrow, then please give it a push today itself. Then your mind will think in that way, okay, this task has already been started, so now it is not in the wish list anymore, now it is in a daily routine, so this task have to complete it on a daily routine. ये सब कुछ दिमाग होता है भाई, दिमाग के साथ खेलो ना. बहुत खेल लिए, निकल गई जवानी, निकल गया बचपन, सॉरी जवानी तो है, निकल गया बचपन, बहुत खेल लिए गुड्डा गुड़िया के साथ, बॉल के साथ, बैट के साथ. अब वक्त है दिमाग के साथ खेलने का. जस्ट प्ले विथ योर माइंड, जस्ट फूल योर माइंड दैट यस ब्रो आई एम योर फ्रेंड. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था ना 1 महीने पहले, बी फ्रेंड योर माइंड, वो उसी बताओ. If anyone haven't watched that video, please like it is insisted me. I am insisting you to watch that video first. Then please come on this video and finish that. Okay. Let's wrap up here. Have a nice day. Toby man. Have a nice day with Spice family. Meeting soon. Of course tomorrow. For day 43.